Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the COLMI R02 Smart Ring, a sleek and compact wearable designed for both men and women. This smart ring combines health monitoring and fitness tracking into a discreet accessory you wear on your finger. The COLMI R02 is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices, connecting effortlessly via Bluetooth. Despite its small size, the ring comes equipped with essential sensors to monitor heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. The data is stored in its 1 MB internal memory, allowing the ring to track your health metrics continuously throughout the day and night. Its 15 mAh battery is designed to keep the ring running while maintaining its compact form, and it charges via the included charging cable and case. One of the standout features of this model is the sizing kit, which ensures you select the correct ring size before purchasing. This makes it a perfect fit for anyone who wants a precise and comfortable wearing experience. The device also includes a charging case, making it easy to keep the ring powered on the go and protecting it when not in use. This supports multiple functions without overwhelming its user. Beyond monitoring heart rate and blood oxygen, it tracks your sleep quality, giving insights into your rest cycles. Its lightweight design, just 1.76 ounces, means you can wear it all day without discomfort. And the sleek design keeps it stylish enough to wear in any setting, whether at work, at the gym, or out socially. In terms of connectivity, the ring uses Bluetooth to sync with your smartphone, enabling real-time updates and notifications. While it doesn't come with subscription fees, it offers a solid alternative for those looking for an entry-level smart ring that focuses on the core health metrics without unnecessary extras. Overall, this smart ring combines minimalism and functionality in a compact design. It's a subtle yet effective tool for anyone looking to monitor health metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep patterns in a convenient, wearable form. For a device that fits on your finger, it packs a surprising amount of technology, making it a worthwhile consideration for anyone exploring smart rings. That wraps up our review of this smart ring. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest gadgets and wearable tech.